Welcome to our informative guide on understanding the differences between vinyl and latex gloves. Whether you're a healthcare worker, an industrial professional, or simply a consumer making a choice, this video is designed to provide clear and factual insights. Let's start with the basics. Material composition. Vinyl gloves are made from polyvinyl chloride, a synthetic material that offers a smooth and comfortable fit. On the other hand, latex gloves are crafted from natural rubber, known for its elasticity and tight fit. Moving on to usage scenarios, vinyl gloves are often preferred in food handling and light cleaning tasks due to their affordability and ease of wear. Latex gloves, however, are a staple in medical settings, providing a high level of dexterity and protection against biohazards. Now let's weigh the benefits and drawbacks. Vinyl gloves are cost-effective and latex-free, making them suitable for those with latex allergies. However, they may not offer the same level of durability and protection as latex gloves. Latex gloves, while offering superior flexibility and strength, can sometimes cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. In summary, when choosing between vinyl and latex gloves, consider the context of use. Vinyl gloves are ideal for non-hazardous tasks, while latex gloves provide superior protection in medical environments. Thank you for watching. We hope you now feel more informed and confident about selecting the right glove for your requirements. Remember, the right glove is the one that best suits your task and personal comfort.